Elmo in the bathroom. Oh, Kit's on the potty. Let me go in and zoom on Kit's face. Let's see. I gotta get right in on that. No, Kit, just sit up. Kit, what happened to your face, Kit? What did that happen? What'd you do there? Did the tickle monster get you? Because here he is. His name is Elmo. He's a tickle monster. What a funny little bunny.
Daddy, I want to see it.
No, sorry.
Hey, go show me.
Bye, good night. Everybody's in. They're all bad llamas. They just watched the llama movie. Yay! Can I get a... I'm just showing the top of Kit. Oh, what are you showing, Kit? Peed in the potty. Good job.